Okay. So we got the gift is ready, and the ants are actually moving and kind of digging, but mostly just hanging out through the tubes and so forth. So hopefully she will enjoy her present. But at least they're all awake, except for the ones that are, a couple of them that are dead here. But it's still pretty cool though. I like it. And it's really weird that this is, you can really get like lost in this for a while. I think for like an hour straight I was just watching them just go through the tunnel here. So that's a neat little gift though. And I'm going to be driving, so I should probably stop this immediately. But yeah. Holy crap. So cool. That's cool. Come on, where was your cheerleading earlier?
I don't like it.
You know,
I was. Well, they're all cleared out of the tube now. Look at them at the top. Look at them at the top.
Where?
Up here.
What are they doing?
I don't know. Just being cool.
Just being cool, just hanging out?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, look at that guy. He's grabbing.
Yeah. All right.
He's like, that's my cupcake. He's just walking over. I'm walking over dead bodies. I think I think he's digging.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, I can't really see in there. Yeah, that guy's starting to dig. At least someone's working. These guys are just licking each other's crotches on the top. This is so cool, though. This is cool for any age, I think.
Mm-hmm.
But, yeah. That was super cool.
Now they're all sugared up.
Yeah, they're all jacked up. They're all high on sugar. And some of them are just laying around and snoozing. The other ones are working, and the other ones are eating. So
Sounds like any job.
sounds like what?
any job.
Yeah, pretty much. So okay, yeah, that's it. What the hell is it called? Milton Bradley's ant farm. Cool for any age. So that's it. Bye.